Hey, this is Peter Anderson. I'm the founder and CEO of CoralGold.com, and in this video, I'm going to be going over the benefits of rolling over into a Gold IRA. What exactly is a Gold IRA rollover? It's when you move your retirement account funds into an IRA that holds physical precious metals. The metals typically come in the form of either bullion coins or bars, and they're held in a secure depository. The difference between a Gold IRA rollover and a gold transfer is the transfer is when you're moving funds between accounts of the same type, like moving a traditional IRA into a Gold IRA. A rollover is when you're moving funds between two different accounts. For example, your 401k into an IRA. So the benefits of doing a Gold IRA rollover in 2022 is a hedge against inflation. Inflation really is at 20% right now. You don't have to rely on fiat currency. We all know that the dollar is crashing and it's less valuable every single day. It's also a great way to diversify your portfolio. Economists and hedge fund managers like Peter Schiff always recommend to have a certain proportion of your portfolio in precious metals, especially gold. Having a Gold IRA also helps you to be prepared for economic collapse. So right now we have inflation going on, the devaluing of our dollar, and a lot of experts are talking about a crash coming soon. This crash could be worse than 2008. It could even be worse than the Great Depression. And what's going to hold value are precious metals. So I already talked about diversifying your portfolio. It's also a great way to preserve your wealth. So if the stock market crashes, that can have detrimental effects on your lifestyle. It also allows you to invest in a real asset. Since we're having hyperinflation, in a sense, the rich do get richer. People who have real assets like properties, precious metals, are going to have more valuable assets. Why now is the best time to roll over your IRA or any retirement into gold? Inflation, war, we've been seeing right now with the Ukrainian war in Russia, economic collapse. A lot of experts are talking about a stock market crash happening, and it could be even worse than the Great Depression. They're calling this the Great Recession. Dollar devaluation, and gold is always a solid diversifier for your portfolio. I've invested with several Gold IRA companies, and I had a very bad experience with one of them, which I'm not going to name, but I thought any Gold IRA company would do when I first started investing, but that couldn't be further from the truth. If you don't pick the right company, they can hold your funds, they can be extremely difficult to get in contact with, and they make it almost impossible for you to get your funds. Then I found Augusta Precious Metals a few years ago, and I couldn't be any happier with their service. Their prices are excellent. They have an awesome educational web conference with a Harvard-trained economist that really opens your eyes to what's possible with precious metals. And really, no other company has a customer service record like Augusta. It's been extremely easy for me to get in contact with them if I ever need to pull out some money, or if I want to get an update on my account and what's happening with it. And also the process was just very quick and painless. What makes Augusta stand out from all the other Gold IRA providers is that they're the only Gold IRA company with literally no BCA or BBB complaints since they began in 2012. Joe Montana's personal advisors chose it from all the other Gold IRA companies. They have the most transparent and best pricing, which includes up to 10 years of fees waived. They have no pressure sales, which means no fear tactics or gimmicks unlike others. It's a very educational process, and they're just clearly explaining to you how it works and what they can offer, and they're not pushing you to make any decisions. They also don't push you to put all of your retirement into gold, because like I said earlier in the video, gold is a good place to put a portion of your wealth to secure it, but you don't want to have all your wealth in precious metals necessarily. And they're also solely focused on gold and silver IRAs with account lifetime support. So they're not doing crypto IRAs like a lot of these other companies are doing, trying to sell physical bars and stuff like that. They really are dedicated to doing gold IRAs, and that's why I think they are absolutely the best company. So to get in contact with Augusta, you can go to my link at coralgold.com/AG, and that'll take you to their page where you can sign up to get your free Gold IRA kit. And someone will call you and they will walk you through the entire process. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any comments, please don't hesitate. I'd love to help you guys answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.